What's going on, guys? This is your boy Tyree, and if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell, so every time I push out new videos, you will be notified. So in today's video, I'm going to be cashing out live in front of you guys. I don't just talk. I talk and I show proof in action. So in these apps, I'm going to be cashing out in front of you guys live. So the first app I'm going to be cashing out is HoneyGain. So I've been at HoneyGain for quite some time now, a couple of months, and HoneyGain is generating money. And the other app is what is it? I got HoneyGain I'm gonna cash out, and Survey on the Go. Survey on the Go, I'm close to over $500. I've been with the company since May of 2019 and earn consistent amount of money every single month. So let's get right to it and let's get this going, man. So let's get this video started.
What's up, people, man? Right now I'm on the app of HoneyGain. As you can see, today so far generated 36 cents. Usually after 8 o'clock is a new shift from 8 p.m. all the way to the next day of 8 p.m. So that's a 24 hours. So I got about 55 minutes before the new day starts for HoneyGain. So I'll probably earn like close to almost 40 cents before the day is done. So it's been running a little bit slow, but as you guys can see, I've been averaging between 2 to close to 6 gigs per day. Okay, so these are the devices I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 devices on my account, and mostly computers and my cell phone. Okay, so you guys are gonna see how I'm cashing out. So I'm gonna cash out $22.91. It's been running for a little well over a month, over 45 days, and this is my third payout. So I'm gonna cash out, request for payout. You guys can see request for payout. So are you ready to collect your earnings of $22.91? It usually takes up to two business days, guys, for the payout request, and you'll get an email. So please be patient, and you guys got to sync into PayPal. That's how they pay you guys. So if you don't have a PayPal, create a free PayPal account. So I'm gonna hit request for that $22.91. Okay, boom, your $22.91 is on the way. All right, so just sit back, relax. 2 days, I'm probably gonna get it well before the 2 days, because I've been getting it. The first time I got it took about a couple of days, and then the second time I got paid pretty quickly. So the third time I'm gonna see it. So it should be by tomorrow. I should get paid by tomorrow. So I cash out. So this app is legitimate. Let me request out. Oh, I already got requested already. Oh, because it didn't show up. So let me show you the let me see the payouts right here, guys. Oh, let me show you home settings, transaction history. Okay, this is legitimate. All right, so you guys can see payout, credit, reservation, $22.91, and they do take out some fees, which sucks. They don't send the full exact fee, so they do take out fees. All right, so let's move on. We took care of that. So let's go to, we're gonna go to survey on the Go, my favorite. So these are different surveys that comes up as well. So opinions, you have opinions, $1.50, $2.75. Okay, let's do this 75. I want to see if I pass it. Unfortunately, they didn't even allow me to do it. So even, you guys see it, I don't know why. Maybe an error. I don't know what's going on. So if you fail, you still get paid. You still get 10 cents. But I was a little hoping to get the 75 cents. Okay. So, look, guys, I want to show you what's been happening. I started on May 22nd, 2019. As you guys can see, it's very consistent. Okay, from July, September, October, November. Okay, so $31.75, $31.55, $50, $50.30, $17.60, $80.70 was my best on what is it, December 15th, 2019. $36.85 on January. $37.80, $62.65 on March 29th. April 1720, May 2025, okay, and now the June 30th, okay. I'm gonna cash out $26.80. I hit redeem, okay, $26.80 for video purposes. I'm gonna be using PayPal. All right, your PayPal payment will be sent to you to my email address, okay, legit. All right, $26.85, okay, $26.85. Now it's in the pending status, and you see that was 0. So to redeem, you have to have $10 or over to redeem, okay. So let's see, okay. All right, boom. Look at this, guys. Within seconds, look at that. $26.80. You guys see it on the feed. $26.80. I got watch a lot of videos too, guys, too, as I'm doing the video. So you guys see, receive $26.80. Okay, legit. I could pull it up. You guys don't believe me? Let's pull it. See, look, bang. And what I like with Survey and the Go compared to other apps is that is 0 fees. You get your full money, which I love. HoneyGain has to change that. I don't know when they're going to change that, but they have to change that. Eliminate the fees. Get our full money. So $26.80. So that's not bad, guys. So let me talk to you guys and exit out here, okay?
There you have it, guys. You guys saw it on my phone. I showed you live proof that you can make consistent money right from your smartphone, okay? Just answering questions, and those questions lead into payments, okay? Today's the 30th of June, end of the month as well. I do make other multiple passive income streams of different apps as well that pays consistently, okay? And the good part is it's free to sign up. It's free to sign up. You have nothing to lose. So I'm going to leave the links below, all my links below. You guys can sign up all the apps below and take advantage of it and turn your phone to an ATM machine. Guys, I appreciate you following me. Don't forget to hit the like button. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless and peace out. Yeah.